We've all seen someone get up on stage and struggle to speak. Now, it's painful for them, painful for their audience, and potentially devastating for their personal brand, which is unfortunate because the most sought after, transferable skill in business and in life is the ability to communicate in a confident, concise, and congruent way. But that takes skill, and skill takes practice, and practice requires competence and a conscious awareness of what to improve on and what to practice more of. The Ultimate Guide to Speaking will give you all the tools you need to design, develop, and deliver a TED-worthy talk. You will learn the same skills that I use to coach CEOs and celebrities, ensuring that you hit the stage with confidence, clarity, congruence, charisma, and conviction. With practice and preparation, you can become a confident, comfortable, and charismatic speaker. Get started by signing up to the Ultimate Guide to Speaking today.